Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register for Postmates, full guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser and go to the Postmates website. On the home page, locate the sign up or get started button and click it. You will be directed to a registration page. Here, you will need to enter your email address. After entering your email, create a strong password. Make sure your password includes a mix of letters, numbers, and special characters for security. Next, click on the Continue or Next button to proceed. The next step will require you to provide your phone number. Enter your phone number carefully, and select if you want to receive updates via SMS. After that, click Continue. You will receive a verification code via text message. Retrieve the code from your phone and enter it in the provided field on the website. Once you've entered the code, click Verify to confirm your phone number. Now, you will be prompted to fill in your personal information. This includes your full name and address. Double-check that all the information you provided is accurate. After filling out your personal information, click Continue. Next, you will need to select your preferred payment method. Options may include bank account details or credit card information. Choose the method that suits you best and enter the necessary details. Once your payment information is added, click Continue. You may also be given the option to set up a delivery preference. If applicable, choose your delivery preferences that work best for you. After making your selections, click Continue. At this point, read through the terms and conditions carefully. If you agree with the terms, check the box indicating your agreement. Then, click Submit. In a moment, you should receive a confirmation that your registration was successful. You can now log into your Postmates account using your email and password. Explore the platform and familiarize yourself with the various services available. Congratulations, you are now registered with Postmates. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.